This is a bed that you may have seen us planting up, and these plants were actually, they're recycled. They're basically come out of beds and gardens where people didn't want them. Okay, there's the odd failure, and I mean the odd one. Just one ceanothus that's died back. If you look at the front edge, it's got growth coming. So next spring, you cut back off all your old growth that's not growing, and that will grow into a bush a bit like this one here. As we walk along, you can see there's Nepeta, there's a bit of weed there I've missed, plenty of verbena, grasses, Annabelles. Now remember, Annabelles, from the garden they came from, they were just shoots originally, and then they came into plants in the garden that is in the back of where we are now, and these are now clumped up. Roseanne, of course, takes off and gives you colour right through to the autumn, a really bargain plant indeed. I don't know which roses these were, because I think the contractor planted these against this border originally when the houses were built, because it's a new build estate. I think this one of these, I think is part of the county series where they did Essex, Suffolk, Norfolk. They were a nice series because they were quite a low growing, masses of florets of gorgeous flowers. There's a white one at the back and a pink at the front. Of course, if we go forward, we've got Hebes at the back, Griselinia, which in the centre here I can show you that there's a window each side. You could grow it up high in the middle and then just cut it back around the windows. Roses, grasses, French lavender here, another hydrangea, a bit different colours. And we go along, the Michaelmas daisy, or aster as they're called, are just coming into flower. Bit of mildew on those, but we won't worry about that too much. Let them flower and then cut them hard back. Christmas roses, hellebores, plenty of those, and they were bought 3 years ago in another garden, and the people then moved them around to this part of the border. More sarcococca there, a bit yellow, alliums flowering well, heuchera. Now you just look at this little heuchera. I'll tell you a little story about this little heuchera. See that little heuchera there? When that was first planted, it had 3 leaves on it, and okay, we're 6 months on from when you may have seen us planting this bed, but they are now. That's what they will do. They'll come into flower like that. That's a lovely heuchera. More sarcococca, and you'll see that up the end here, they've been. I'm wrong. These are sarcococca. I'm going to go back and tell you I'm wrong on that, because this is actually not a sarcococca at all. It's a green spire. They are. That's green spire. Hebe, a very old leggy one that was dug out again from the back garden here. And if you look at all that lovely new growth that's coming from the middle. Would I cut it back now? You could be tempted, but we don't know what the winter will throw at us again. So I would wait till the spring and then cut it hard back, and all that lovely new growth will come. Did I say about the hydrangeas? Paniculata, really gorgeous. Going from a greeny white through to white, and then you get this pink flush on them. Really good value for money. So they are, as you look along the border. Yes, this is the lawn that I tried the Stihl battery mower on as well, which you may remember me walking up and down. And the lawn again was a council lawn, or part of the estate, not council, but the management committee. But this resident has bothered to look after it a bit, get some weed killer onto it and feed it. So there you are, you end up with a lovely border. So when you're looking at plants, offer them to your friends. Don't just throw them away, because it might be a benefit to somebody else that can enjoy them. So they are a border created from second hand, or maybe third hand even, plants. Nothing like a bit of recycling in the gardening world, is there? More gardening on World Radio Gardening.